Lagi semangat kini yang Mareh marathon. Keleng-keleng kibenta jongkari India bat Kynthup ru na Shabari jongkari India kum Ethiopia bat kui dikiri semngi. Sunrang bat kentai kira sementa ka third Sohra International Marathon ka belong mentak sengi ka arfui tarik nalur arjar sau. Kini kejeng Mareh ka sang napo mokrok ter ka sok Sohra bat kanpen kot apo no sithiang hakabutun ka ksai no sithiang hang thi apo mosmai.
Third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon. What's your name, please? And where are you from? Ethiopia. Fantastic. Is this your first time here in Meghalaya?
First time or second time?
All right. What about you, sir? What's your good name? And where are you from? Ethiopia? All right. And is this your first time here? What made you come all the way from Ethiopia to be part of the Sohra Marathon, or Sohra Half Marathon?
Marathon. Ethiopia coming after today.
All right. So, hey!